It's me, Jessica De Leon, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, much love and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, but you have been watching my videos, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. If this is your first time here, welcome and please subscribe. Today I am going to be doing a Dr. Martens Sinclair boot unboxing. If you're interested to see me unbox these, then keep on watching. I'll give you a little backstory. I did another Dr. Martens boot unboxing of the Jadon boots. I tried those on. Those were way too big. They look like clown shoes basically because they had like about 2 inches of space in the tip. My feet were basically swimming in Dr. Martens Jadon boot, and unfortunately they no longer had the 7, so I just ended up returning the boots and buying a new pair of boots. And the other pair of boots that I bought are the Sinclairs. They are a little bit more expensive than the Jadon boots. They're about $20 more. So the Jadon boots retail for $180, and the Sinclair boots that I'm about to show you guys retail for $200. Let's get into what the boots actually look like, okay? Because this is actually the first time I've opened the boots. I've had them for a few days now, so I'm opening them for the first time here with you guys. I'm really excited to see them myself. So that's the kind of box they come in, a Dr. Martens box. And I got these from shoes.com. Let's see, and there is the sticker for the boots right there, so you can see a little bit of information about them. Just talks about their trademark and licenses on the back. Open this baby up, and that is immediately what is in the top of the box, and it's just telling you some information about when the Dr. Martens boots first rolled off the production line and onto the feet of postmen, policemen, and everyday workers. So that's interesting. Pull one of the boots out, and there's the paper up close. And let's just unwrap this baby and reveal. Oh, wow. So as you can see, it's kind of a pebbled leather, and it has this design where there's a demarcation of the leather over the front of the toe with 3 lines of stitching. It has 8 eyes, but they've just laced the laces uniquely so that they have that look. And in the middle of the boot, you can see that it has a zipper. This zipper is actually removable, so you can actually wear the boots like this with it open. There's the tongue, and as you can see, it's not attached, so it comes completely off. If you take the laces completely out, that is what's holding the zipper on to the boot, is the laces. See, because it's laced through. But the zipper part comes away from here, and it comes away from here. So that's actually a really cool little design detail that I'm really liking about these boots. So you can completely remove the zipper, guys, and have a regular boot with regular lacing, which is why I like it. And it's so versatile in style. I think it's just super cute. And it's still the thick sole like the Jadon. These are, if you guys can see on the inside, a UK 5 and a US 7. And here's the little pull tab on these on the back. These also have it. So yeah, I'm really liking the boot, man. These are awesome. They're so cool. I actually like these more than the Jadon because I just feel like there's more to look at and appreciate. Plus, I feel like, and I hate to say it, like if you scratch these, it might not be as noticeable. So that's another good thing about these boots, is scratching will be slightly less noticeable. And they're not as high as the Jadons. The Jadons are a bit higher on the shaft of the boot. So They're a little bit shorter, which I kind of like. It makes them look a little more chunky. Here are the boots side by side. And there's the air sole at the bottom. So yeah, let's try them on. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them on for you guys. Put my footy in. And I'm not gonna do the laces. There we go. When you have the laces the way they are, you can see, like they're kind of loose inside the boot. I'm guessing you're just gonna tuck them in somewhere when you're doing the zipper, when you have the zipper in the front. And you can choose to leave the zipper down or zip it up. I'm going to zip it up all the way just to see. And it's pretty snug on there. And you can use a little pull tab in the back to help pull it on. So they're both on. So guys, that is the Sinclair boots for you. And I will tell you that these boots fit perfectly. They fit exactly how they're supposed to fit. They're not too big, they're not too small. They fit just right. There's no extra space. They don't look clunky. They don't feel clunky on my feet. I mean, other than the fact that they are chunky boots. These boots, to me, in my opinion, do not feel heavy. It was just very lucky that the night that I did the video, I went online and I started looking for the Jadons and 7s and ended up coming across these on shoes.com for 30% off. Don't sleep on the Sinclair boots. I know the Jadons are so popular, but don't sleep on these boots. In my opinion, they're a little bit better quality as far as the way that they look and feel. I'm sure they're not, but they just look better quality in person even than the Jadon boots. Because of the pebbled leather, I think too, that helps. And this design feature is so unique and it's different. It's very creative. I love these boots. And so I'm gonna tell you guys, if you guys didn't get this from my last Dr. Martin boots unboxing video, size down. These boots are at least a whole size too big, period. That's just the way they're made. I don't know what the reason for that is, but they are. I hope you guys like this unboxing of the Dr. Martin Sinclair platform boots. So please subscribe and hit the bell for post notifications so you can see me again in the future. I'll see you guys in the next video coming up very soon. Love y'all. See you on the next one. Mwah.